Limewash has enriched the world for thousands of years. Initially used as a sacrificial and protective layer on ancient facades, the finish guards buildings from the elements while still allowing them to breathe. And like many practices of yesteryear, the process is becoming revived in modern-day construction. Traditional washes are a combination of aged lime putty and natural pigments. The material creates unique surfaces that are mottled yet matte and carry a chalky patina that mature with dignity. While many companies have mastered their own dynamic formulas and are creating beauty around the globe, it's important to note that the raw components of baseline lime washes are actually quite rudimentary. To learn how you can make a simple version of this natural coating for your own home at virtually no cost, join the Plaster Portal today.